This lesson is going to show you how to find different pieces of music in the SmartMusic app. After logging into your SmartMusic account in a Chrome browser, you will see a screen that looks something like this. On the right upper hand corner, you will see a Find Music search bar. We're going to come back to this in just a second. Before we use that search bar, I wanted to point out the music categories in the bottom right hand corner. These music categories will help you sort for different things, such as our method book. That's what we use for our warm-ups, our exercises, and our new techniques. Band and orchestra music, that's going to be the music that we perform at our concerts. Sight reading, if you're looking for that, we'll learn a new app for that as well. And then solos and small ensemble pieces. So that might be something that interests you as well if you're looking for an extra challenge. Up here, we're going to come back to the search bar at the top right. Some of the things that you can search for in that search bar would be something like our concert music that we played earlier this year, or maybe in previous years. So if you want to go back and play some of those pieces, you could certainly search for that. But say that you're looking for new things to play. One of the things that a lot of kids always ask me about is how to play certain pop songs or movie songs. So I'm going to go ahead and click in the search bar and search for movies. It's going to bring up a big list here. So a couple of things to help you sort. If you use this filter feature on the left-hand side, there are some helpful tools with difficulty if you're looking for maybe easy versus something that's more advanced. So you can click on that. Or if you're looking for a specific instrument, which many of you are, you can go ahead and search for something there. And then there's also genres as well. So if you're looking for just a certain category, like a lot of you with that pop music, you might want to click that, or soundtracks and musicals, something like that. You could certainly check that box to help your search. But going back to this list, let's say for now we're kind of browsing, we're like, oh, this sounds good. Easy, popular movie solos. So for today's video, we're going to go ahead and click this one for the violin. And it's going to bring up some more information on this book. It's going to talk about what it's in, what composers and arrangers we have here. It's also going to talk about the difficulty level. So for this specific book, it's an easy green dot for our level. Go ahead and click open. And then sometimes it might ask you to pick your instrument. For this particular one, it's already selected for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and click movement, which is going to find the different pieces that are in this book. So let's say, ooh, Harry Potter. We'll click on that one and then open this book up to see the music for Harry Potter. Once we're in here, you'll be able to click on the piece. You can certainly hit play to play along. It'll give us our count off. You can also select different pieces as you're practicing by selecting this tool up here, if it's from a book, to select a different piece that might be in that book. So say we wanted to look at James Bond, you could go ahead and click James Bond. And it will bring up a new piece in that book for you to play. If you want to go back to that search bar, the best way to do that is to go back up to the left-hand corner to where it says Smart Music. You can go ahead and click that. And it will bring you back to the home screen where you can use the search bar feature again. Happy practicing!